Okay, let's take a look at the next question. The next question says that businesses can use globalization to their advantage by 1. Creating trade barriers to other countries, 2. Reducing exports to other countries, 3. Finding customers in other countries, and 4. Insourcing jobs in other countries. And so we think of trade barriers and exports as mostly things that countries do. Businesses don't really control those types of things, although I guess you could say exports maybe, but the real power of globalization is that it opens up markets to each other, right? Goods and services that are created in one country can be sold to customers in an entirely different country. And so that's the big advantage of globalization, right? You can think of this as like even just trade between the United States and Mexico, where it used certain foods like avocados are very seasonal, and you didn't used to be able to eat avocados in the winter in the United States, but opening up of trade barriers and like free trade agreements and globalization allows that trade to continue so that farmers in Mexico can sell avocados to consumers in America and continue to make money even in the winter when they would otherwise not see as much demand. And so that's a really big benefit to businesses specifically. So answer choice 3 is going to be the best answer here, that businesses can use globalization to their advantage by finding customers in other countries. So let's take a look at what the previous tutor said. So the previous tutor said 3 as well, and they said that globalization is the process of integrating businesses, economies, economic sectors, and individuals around the globe such that different economic entities can come together to function as a single unit of an internationally bounded, unregulated market. It has many inherent advantages to both producers and consumers. Excuse me. One way in which globalization can be advantage to businesses is that it can grant them with new markets to penetrate, and with new markets come new customers to serve. Businesses can expand their operations in different economies and foreign markets to find customers in regions other than their home that will not only increase their profitability, but also their longevity in the market, provided they sell above the risks attached. Yeah, so this is a good answer. You can say good answer. Mark that as correct.